That buyer was so keen and they asked for a proposal and then you sent it and they disappeared. They weren't looking for a solution. They were playing problem-solving theater. This is sales for nice people. Very often when a buyer shows up and they go, yeah, we need your help, and you might think that this person and this company is actually looking to solve a problem. But the person you're talking to, the department they're working in, maybe they're not looking to solve a problem. Maybe they simply want to signal that they're working hard, trying to get the problem solved. And that is why they've spoken to 4 providers and they've asked for proposals. And look, boss, here is what we think we should do. We should choose one of these proposals, knowing subconsciously that the solution isn't going to happen. This is not because your buyer is an asshole. It is because people have an ecosystem to live in. They have a public image to uphold. They have to signal the right message to the company and their colleagues and stakeholders and even clients. So it's very possible that you engage in a sales dialogue, in a process of trying to enroll people, when actually their motivation isn't to get the problem solved. I see this very often with clients, where my client thinks that there is a great opportunity and then suddenly the buyer goes away and disappears. And if you then start analyzing the conversations that they've had with that buyer, and you look at how that buyer exists in their ecosystem, and the mission that the company is on, and the problem that they're trying to solve, then the theory that they're not looking to solve anything, they just want to play problem-solving theater, is actually a theory that holds water. Now, I'm not saying this to be cynical, and I'm not saying that all your clients are fooling you, but you need to be sure that you don't fool yourself by what a buyer displays and how they show up. Because very often a buyer has very different incentives than what they present with and what they tell you. It doesn't mean they're lying. That means they're trying to do the best they can with what they have. And if what they have is you engaging in a protracted sales process where you send proposals and try to get follow-up, you might be looking at a dud, and you might be better off prioritizing deals where they're actually trying to find a solution to the problem they have. This is Sales for Nice People. If you want to have a short and helpful email in your inbox, go to salesfornicepeople.com/sign up, and I will see you again tomorrow.